Only boys are allowed to watch this video. Yes, you heard me right. Everything you're about to see is a test designed only for boys. But if you're a girl, somehow watching this video, even when you're not supposed to, well, let's see if you can keep up without failing. Warning, the next few minutes will test your focus, your bravery, and your self-control. And if you're really a boy, you should pass these challenges easily. So let's find out how strong you are. Are you ready? Let's begin. Challenge 1, the breath test. Hold your breath for 20 seconds until the timer runs out. They say boys can hold their breath longer than girls. They say boys have more control, more endurance. Let's see if that's true. Wow, great job. Like the video if you passed this level. Challenge 2, the scary mission. Everyone says girls are braver, more focused, harder to scare. But is that really true? Boys, this is your moment. Don't blink. Don't flinch. Don't get scared. Watch carefully. Boom! Did you jump? Be honest. Comment down and prove the girls wrong. Final challenge, impossible. The don't speak challenge. This is the hardest one. If you speak, react, or laugh, you lose. Control yourself. Are you ready?
But before we begin, only the fastest people can like this video and subscribe in the next 3 seconds.
Three, 2, 1, go.
There you go.
Somebody once told
Run.
Hoje eu levantei da cama, tomei meu café, dei beijo na trilha.
What?
Did you react? Did you speak? Be honest. If you stayed silent, type, I am the fearless.